Long and thick hair is every woman's dream. Shiny and smooth hair can increase your confidence. To keep hair stylish, there are different types of tools on the market. Different people have different choices. Some people love to have straight hair. Some love curly hair. There are different types of hair straighteners to make hair straight. We've reviewed the best flat irons in our previous videos, but today we will know about hair curling irons to make curly hair. Curling irons are used to make hair curly. When you have long, shining curly hair, you will feel great with your hair. There are many curling irons in the market. Choosing the perfect one is a challenge. It is essential to buy a good iron because cheap irons can damage your hair. It may cause hair fall also. As hair is a susceptible part of our body, always choose the best curling irons for long hair. So today, we will introduce you to the best curling iron that won't damage hair. So stay with us to find your one. Starting today, we'll be doing a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now. And click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Shout out to Polished by Tessia and HD Signatures. We appreciate your support. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best curling irons. Number 1, Hot Tools 1-inch Gold Curling Iron. The brand Hot Tools is a name of trust for hair tools. A curling iron is one of the most rewarded products from this brand. Our expert team did good research and marked this item as the top-rated product in our chart. Are you looking for a curling iron that is damage-free for hair? If yes, then you are in the right place. It is capable of decorating your hair with different types of curls. You can make small and large curls easily with this iron. The fantastic thing is you will get 2 separate on and off switches. The grip is very soft and perfect for holding. The gold barrel helps you to get long-lasting results. The pros are, it has a separate switch. It also gives a comfort grip in the handle. It gives long-lasting results. It provides 430-degree maximum heat and long-lasting. However, the cons are, it only has one assortment. Why do we recommend it to you? A separate switch and comfortable grip takes this iron to the next level. Moreover, it is capable of providing a maximum of 430-degree heat, which is too good for making curled hair. The material quality is awesome enough and lasts for a long time. Number 2, Chi Rose Gold Hair Curling Iron. Chi is one of the most luxurious and classy brands ever. This gold hair curling iron is a special edition from them. Your hair will remain silky and shiny with curls for a long time. Are you looking for a ceramic curling iron? Then it is precisely for you. It has a ceramic plate that is capable of producing around 410 degrees Fahrenheit of heat. It has a preset heat adjustment system. If you set low, you will get 370 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium, you will get 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And in a high setting, you will get 410 degree Fahrenheit temperature. The pros are, it has a luxury design. It's a special edition from Chi. It has a preset heat adjustment technique. It is a ceramic iron. It features tangle protection. The cons are, it has a fixed heat adjustment system. Why do we recommend it to you? Every product we select for you is the best one from the market. We mainly recommended it to you for the ceramic material because it can provide heat gently to your hair. The curl made by this lasts for a long time. Like this one? Click the link in description box below. If you haven't made a choice, then keep watching for more options we have for you. Number 3, Conair Ceramic Made Curling Iron. Are you looking for an excellent ceramic curling iron on a low budget? Conair thinks about everyone. That's why they made this. Let's have a look at the dynamic features of this iron. It has a versatile function. It has 30 different types of heat adjustment settings, which is perfect for hair curling. It also has an auto stop system. When you reach your needs, then it can automatically turn off. The pros are, it's a ceramic iron. It has a reasonable price. Also, it has a heat adjustment system, auto heat adjustment system, and easy operation. However, the cons are, the iron size is not more than 1 inch. Why do we recommend it to you? It has many features and functions like 30 heat adjustment capability, damage protection, and a fizz controlling system. We think this one is perfect for making curls in the hair. This is the best curling iron for fine hair. Number 4. IONIC Barrel Style Hair Curling Iron. Are you looking for a professional hair curling iron for heavy use? The brand Bio made this one for heavy professional use, which provides long-lasting performance. This can be used in any normal hair. Its size is 1.25 inches and comes in black. It is capable of making curling faster and giving a long laying performance. To get better performance, you must clean your hair with shampoo and conditioners. And it is a professional iron. You need to use it for a long time in a day. The premium quality material makes this product strong enough for heavy performance. The pros are, it's good for professional use, heavy performance, it's made with premium quality material, it lasts for long, and long-lasting performance. The cons are, price is a little bit high. Why do we recommend it to you? As you are looking for a professional iron capable of doing heavy work, we highly recommend it to you. It has premium quality material and many functions which will be great for you. It is the best curling iron for long hair. Number 5. T3 Micro Custom Blend Professional Curling Iron. T3 Micro Custom Blend Professional Curling Iron is one of our best options. This product not only has a good design, but also has premium quality material, which can make your hair curly in a healthy way. The heat of the iron spreads equally through your hair, which can easily make curly hair and last for long. It has 3 assortments that are capable of giving hair a gorgeous look. It can help you to make significant and very bouncy waves in your hair. It has a unique technology named Single Digital Pass. This technology protects your hair from being damaged by heat. This iron is suitable for all kinds of hair. It comes in white. This whole thing is manufactured by the brand T3, which is popular in this sector, and manufacturing curling irons that are so satisfying. The pros are, it has 3 assortments. Made with ceramic material, it features digital single pass technology, it doesn't damage hair, and lasts for long. The cons are, it takes much time to cool down after use. Why do we recommend it to you? This product is good enough and has many features. It is made of ceramic, which is good for the health of the hair. 3 assortments can give various types of bouncy curls to your hair. All of these are the main reason behind the recommendation. Beautiful hair is everyone's dream. Everyone wants long hair with different types of styles. Curly hair is one of my favorite styles of hair. We highly recommend our top-rated Hot Tools 1-inch gold curling iron and Chi Rose Gold hair curling iron as runner-up. You can choose one of them because all of these are premium. They are going to fulfill all of your demands. In a word, they are the best curling irons for long hair for different purposes. Click the links below to buy now. Buying guide. What to look for in a curling iron before buying. We have already been told that choosing the perfect one is a little bit difficult, so always try to follow a detailed guideline for you. If you know some specific vital features of a curling iron, you can easily choose a good one. 1. Barrel size. Barrel size is the most important thing because the curling style depends on it. If you want tight curly hair, then you must buy a small-sized barrel. But if you want a loose curl, then you must buy a curling iron with a big barrel. It depends on your choice. 2. Heat adjustment. This is a thing which you cannot neglect. Heat adjustment is essential because high heat can make your hair curly within a few minutes, and it looks fantastic, but it can damage your hair. But if you use low temperature, you will need more time to curl your hair. Moreover, it will not last for long, but it will not damage your hair. 3. Material. There are 2 types of materials used to make a curling iron. One is ceramic and another is metallic. Ceramic irons are good because they spread heat smoothly but take time to become hot. On the other hand, metallic irons heat very fast but cannot spread heat equally. Ceramic irons are better than metallic irons. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.